Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best carburetor cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who relies on engines. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, keeping your carburetor clean is key to optimal performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of carburetor cleaning kits, exploring what makes a great kit and how it can save you time and money. Number 5. Valchoose Carburetor Cleaning Kit. Tired of spending ages cleaning ports? This kit makes it easy. It works great and is super handy, so you'll never struggle with cleaning ports again. Have you ever bought a kit that didn't fit your needs? This airbrush cleaning kit is perfect for small jets and passages. It's great for removing tough deposits. This set includes different diameters to clean those ethanol gunk. It's perfect for small gas engine carbs, and has been handy for everything from weed eaters to motorcycles. These brushes and needles are useful for cleaning small orifices. They are suitable for all kinds of auto motorcycles, ATVs, and more. Cleaning those crooked corners can be a pain. This set is made of high-density nylon brushes and stainless steel. It's rust-proof, non-deforming, and has good elasticity. The spiral bristles won't come off easily, making cleaning thorough. What we like. This kit makes cleaning carburetors a breeze, saving you time and effort. It's designed to fit even the smallest jets and passages, ensuring a thorough clean. If you're tired of struggling with clogged carburetors on your small engines or motorcycles, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Lots of cleaning wires and brushes for carb jets. Able to clean out carburetor jets with ease. Works great for cleaning rebuilding carburetors as well. Number 4. Mutter Carburetor Cleaning Kit. This carburetor cleaning kit is made of durable 304 stainless steel and features flexible handles. The nylon and spiral bristles make cleaning easy. It also includes a detachable key ring for convenient hanging and storage. The stainless steel needle cleaning tools come in various diameters, from 1.1 mm to 2.1 mm. The stainless steel nylon brushes range from 2 mm to 7 mm. They are all 11 cm in length, including a 3 cm brush size. The oil cleaner box is about 10.2 by 2.3 by 1.2 cm. This tool is designed to remove dirt from small jets and carbohydrate channels. It helps your motorcycle run smoothly. The spiral bristles ensure a thorough clean. The torch tip cleaner tool comes with a detachable key ring and an aluminum box for easy storage. It makes cleaning an ethanol-damaged or dirty carburetor much easier. You'll never have a hard time cleaning the ports again. This kit is specifically designed for carburetor engine motors to remove carbon dirt. It easily cleans paint off hard-to-reach areas in a brush, spray gun, or any item with small orifices that need cleaning, like the fluid tip. What we like. This kit is made with quality materials, ensuring durability and effective cleaning. The variety of tools allows you to tackle different types of dirt and blockages. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use kit for your motorcycle or small engine, you should consider this one. What people say. These tools made carburetor cleaning so much easier and effective. The set of tools worked well. Enough sizes to do the trick gently and conveniently. Very handy to have to unclog lawnmower carburetor, garden sprayer, and steam mop jets. Number 3. Carburetor Carbon Dirt Jet Cleaner Kit. Are you frustrated with cleaning tight spaces? This kit is designed to solve that problem. It includes everything you need to clean out those hidden blockages, so you don't have to get your hands dirty. Have you ever bought a set that didn't fit your needs? This kit is perfect for small engines, even motorcycle carburetors. The brushes and needles are designed to fit into small jets and passages. This tool is made of high-density nylon brushes and stainless steel. It's rust-proof, durable, and won't lose bristles. The spiral design ensures thorough cleaning of those hard-to-reach areas. The kit includes various diameters to fit different needs. With multiple cleaning needles and brushes, it's perfect for cleaning ethanol gunk from small gas engine carbs. It has been handy for everything from weed eaters to motorcycles. These cleaning tools are useful for various applications. Use them on gun jets, nozzles, air tools, camping stoves, and more. They're suitable for all auto motorcycles, ATVs, welders, and lawn equipment. What we like. This kit is designed to easily clean those hard-to-reach areas. The variety of sizes ensures you can clean a wide range of carburetors. If you like a comprehensive set that can handle various cleaning tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Could not have serviced my lawn power's carburetor properly without these. Does the trick for cleaning the orifice. A must-have when working on small engines and large ones as well. Number 2. Desin Carburetor Cleaner Repair Tools Kit. Tired of a dirty carburetor? This kit is designed to make cleaning easy. It includes everything you need to get the job done right. Made with stainless steel and high-density nylon, this tool kit is built to last. The materials offer good elasticity and won't lose bristles. The kit comes with a 4-inch wire set featuring 13 different diameters. It's all neatly organized in a lightweight, compact aluminum carrying case. Included are 18 cleaning needles and 12 cleaning brushes, along with 2 wrenches. This ensures you have the right tool for any cleaning task. The kit offers various diameters, including 1 mm to 7 mm. This allows you to clean jets and other small parts with precision. The microneedle stainless steel wire winding is rust-resistant. The flexible handle ensures it won't deform during use. What we like. This kit is made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and effective cleaning. The different diameters of the tools allow you to tackle various cleaning tasks. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning kit, you should consider this one. What people say. Very handy, use it a lot, my friends always ask to borrow it. I was blown away by this set of jet rears and cleaning brushes. Every size imaginable and protective case. Number 1. Carburetor Carbon Dirt Jet Cleaner Kit. This kit includes 20 cleaning needles, 10 nylon brushes, and 26 cleaning wires. It's designed to tackle various cleaning needs. This set ensures you have the right tool for the job. The kit features brushes with diameters from 2 mm to 7 mm and wires from 0.3 mm to 1.5 mm. These tools are perfect for clearing blockages. They are designed to reach tight spaces. These cleaning needles and brushes are perfect for auto and motorcycle carburetors. It comes with a detachable key ring for easy storage. This makes it convenient to keep the tools organized. Made of high-density nylon brushes and stainless steel, it's rust-proof and durable. The spiral bristles provide thorough cleaning. This ensures a long-lasting and effective cleaning experience. The wires come in 13 different diameters to clean tiny jets. It includes a lightweight aluminum carrying case. This makes it easy to keep on hand. This kit is ideal for cleaning carburetors, airbrushes, and spray guns. It is perfect for removing carbon deposits. This makes it a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks. What we like. This kit comes with a comprehensive set of tools, ensuring you have everything you need for carburetor cleaning. The different sizes of the tools make it suitable for various applications. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-store kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Must-have tool kit for rebuilding of any size carburetor. Nice. Various sizes used to fix carb problems on several lawnmowers and hedge trimmer. I can clean the jets and small passages in carburetors and know that I got all the residue out. They're flexible enough to get into odd spaces and robust enough to push through plugged orifices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.